Here we have the front and back section bits of the top. I place both pieces right side facing each other. 2 pieces for the back, 1 piece for the front. And I pin along the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch along the sides. This is going to join both the front and the back piece together. Then we have the 2 sleeve pieces. What I did, I fold them right side facing each other and I pinned the sides. I'm only going to stitch at least 2 inches up from the end, so roughly 2.5 inches. I'm just going to stitch up here, and when I'm done doing that, I'm going to take both the sleeves and the top, place them right side facing each other, and I'm going to join the 2 pieces together. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch this, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here I've sewn the sides, which I joined the front and the back pieces together on both sides. Here we have the sleeve section. I joined 2 inches from the opening. After I've done that, I pinned the sleeves. I pinned the sleeves all the way around the opening of the top. Right side facing each other. So now I'm going to stitch all the way across, and I'm going to do that on both pieces, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here I've joined the sleeve onto the front and back section of the top. This is what it looks like. I've joined it, flat stitched it, and serged. I also did the exact same thing to the other side. Now what I did, I pinned along the neckline of the top, from the back all the way to the front, with a 1-inch strip. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flat stitch all the way around. I'm going to flip it over and then flat stitch it down again. So I'm going to go ahead now and stitch the strap onto the neckline, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. What I did was I placed a hem all the way around, and I also pinned the black closure. I left about 4 to 5 inches in the back open so it could go over your head. So I'm going to flat stitch the hem, and I'm going to close the closure. And this is the neckline. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to close it and also hem the top, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like.